Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the decorators. We also saw with the example class decorators, right? I insist you to try out with the different decorators as well. So I mean method, parameters, and methods and parameters. Others you can try it on your own, right? So today we'll be discussing about the mixins. So what does mixins do basically? Mixins allows us to add the behaviors to the class dynamically by combining multiple classes into one. Again, I'm telling mixins allows adding behaviors to a class dynamically by combining multiple classes into one. So we'll be making use of the multiple classes, right? So let's try to understand the same thing with a very simple example. First, initially, let's go with the basic mixin implementation, and the second one will be going with the using a mixin helper. Right. So quickly, let's go with the basic mixin implementation first. Let's go with the combining behaviors initially, right? So I'll just give here class can eat. That's what the name I'll consider here. So let's have the method eat inside the class can eat. So within the eat, I'll just quickly log here. I'll just give here eating. This is fine. Hope this is clear. Next, I'll just come out of this class. Let me create one more class. I'll just name this one can walk. So yeah. So within this, I'll just call the property walk. So within the property walk, let me log here this one very quickly. I'll just give here walking. So I hope this is clear. Next, let's create one more class. This one I'll just name this one class. I'll just give here empty class person, right? So next, let's make use of the interface very quickly. Interface person. This one I'll just give here extends both the classes. One is can eat and can walk class, right? So here I'll just give here can eat, comma can walk. So this is fine. Next, what I'll do, let's make use of the object dot assign here in this case. So here person, and we have considered person here, right? This same itself. Person dot let's make use of the prototype, and we have made use of the can eat class, right? So I'll just give you same thing prototype, and finally can walk class we have made use of. I'll just give the same thing here prototype. This is fine. Next, let's quickly come out of this one. I'll just give here const person. So this one I'll just make this one p small. Let me assign this one to the new person. So quickly I'll just assign here person dot let's call the method eat here, as well as in the next line let's call the method this one walk, right? So walk I have called, yeah, this is fine, walk. So we have to get the output here, this one eating I have given inside this one, right? This one basically. So this one I have to get here. So let me give here, and this one walking I have called next here, right? So this one I have to get here basically. So what I'll explain what I have done here very quickly. So person class here, this one person I have called here, right? I have made use of the class person class here. This is extended dynamically with can eat and can walk methods. So you can clearly see here we are making use of the interface, and we have called the person class here, right? Empty, which is empty basically. And here you can clearly see person class extend either this one person class is extended dynamically with can eat and can walk methods. And what does object dot assign do here in this line number 17? This one combines the prototypes. So after combining the prototypes, so we need to get the output. We need to get the output eating and walking. So we are calling this one, right? Person with the eat method, person with the walk method. So the output that we need to get here is eating and walking. Let me quickly run the code here. So the output that we need to get here is, so what I have done here, property assign does not exist on the object constructor. Line number 17 this is showing. What mistake I have done here? Just so here, whatever code we have written, this one is correct. Basically, what is happening here is we need to set the this one lib this one basically compiler we have to set that one to the ES 2015 or the later. So we can set that one in the VS Code, and you can try. You'll get the output eating and walking, right? So I hope this concept is completely clear, right? So next, this is fine. This example is enough basically. So you can try using a Mixin helper as well. Try out with the different examples basically. I insist you to try out with the different examples so that you can understand the this one concepts clearly, right? So I hope the concepts of Mixins is completely clear, right? Next, let's discuss. So yeah, next let's discuss on the abstract classes topic. So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.